Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a crucial accessory for professional drone operators, the DJI Matrice 300 series upward gimbal connector. This component is designed specifically for the M300 series, enabling the mounting of various payloads and gimbals in an upward-facing configuration, which is essential for many specialized inspection, mapping, and cinematography tasks. What's notable about this particular connector is that it is presented as an original and brand new accessory directly from the manufacturer or an authorized source. This is significant because using genuine parts ensures compatibility and maintains the integrity of the sophisticated Matrice 300 system. For operators who have experienced damage to their existing upward gimbal connector, this serves as a direct and reliable replacement. The process of swapping out a damaged unit for this new one is described as straightforward, highlighting an easy installation procedure. This means less downtime for the drone, allowing professionals to get back to their critical operations quickly. The product is characterized by fine craftsmanship, indicating attention to detail in its manufacturing. This level of quality is paramount for equipment used in demanding professional environments where reliability is non-negotiable. It is explicitly stated as high quality, intended for professional use, underscoring its robust build and performance capabilities. Furthermore, the connector is built to be durable and wear-resistant, promising a long lifetime even under rigorous operational conditions. This longevity is a key factor for professionals who rely on their equipment day in and day out. The combination of being an original part, offering easy replacement, showcasing fine craftsmanship, and providing high durability makes this upward gimbal connector a vital component for maximizing the versatility and operational efficiency of the DJI Matrice 300 series drone. It ensures that the drone can continue to perform its specialized upward-facing tasks reliably and effectively, supporting a wide range of professional applications from infrastructure inspection to complex aerial surveying. Investing in an original, high-quality replacement like this is crucial for maintaining the performance and safety standards expected from a professional-grade platform like the M300.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.